Rockstars, welcome to another week. This morning I am heading into the city to have a meeting with one of my mentors, and then I'm meeting BREE from the Canberra Times for lunch for a meeting about getting started on the Fashion Rebellion, which is really exciting. But hey,
we got loads done.
I know, really good. Vicky just talks and talks. Yeah, and then we're getting blown away. It's bonkers. Got more to tell you soon, can't wait to reveal. It's Tuesday evening now. I look like I've got no hair when it's tied back like this. It needs a wash, that's why it's like that. Anyway, so you just have to imagine me not bald. So yesterday I had a meeting in the morning with one of my mentors and investors from the Griffin Accelerator, just to tell him where I was up to with everything, and yeah, that went pretty well. I wish things were progressing a bit faster and that I had a bit more news for him, but he knows I'm working hard and doing what I can, so that's all I can do, I guess. And then I had lunch with BREE from the Canberra Times. BREE's amazing. I love her so much. She's just incredible, inspirational, beautiful, one of the nicest, kindest, most amazing people I've ever met. And so we're working together to try and get this first partnership, the money from that, to really get going on the Fashion Rebellion. So I'm just waiting to hear back. She was talking to people today, so I've sent her everything she needs, and hopefully I'll hear from her soon, and I really hope it's good news and we can actually finally move forward with the Fashion Rebellion. Today I have been dyeing fabric for an order, ordering stuff online for orders, working on a video. Then I got a call from the school to say my daughter was sick, so she came home from school early, but she's fine now. It was nothing, so she's all good. She's bounced back. And then on Thursday's her birthday, so tomorrow I'll be working, but then I will be baking cakes and wrapping presents and getting ready for her little birthday, which is cool. So she's going to be 8, which, yeah, doesn't feel like 8 years ago since she was born. And she's a darling. She's an absolute delight. She's a sweetheart. She's such a good girl. So we're going to spoil her for her birthday. I just got a delivery from Fenty. So I've been wanting to try Fenty foundation for a while. So I've ordered myself, oh look at this, it's so gorgeous. I've ordered the foundation and the primer. Just finished recording today's video. I'm running really behind today. I had to finish editing the video with Bambi and Jolene from the other day, and now I've just recorded my first monthly favourites video. So I'm going to be talking about not necessarily new products for each month, just things that I'm loving and finding inspirational. So that's going to go up, oh my god, in a few hours. I better go and get editing, and I hope you like this new series. So make sure you leave a comment on that video and let me know what you think, and let me know what your favourites and what you're finding inspirational is. I've just checked my footage and the sound didn't record, so I've got to do all of that again. There must have been a loose connection on my microphone or something, so I've just plugged it all back in, done a test, and it's working fine now. Something must have just not been plugged in properly. I normally do a sound test before I start recording, and I didn't do one today because I was in a rush, and serves me right, so now I've got to redo everything. Friday. Happy Easter long weekend if that's your thing and you're celebrating. I actually had yesterday off. It was my daughter's birthday, so we took her to the movies, we went out for dinner and did all sorts of fun stuff with her. So now I'm working today instead of having the public holiday off. I'm filming my next Rocked Up Frocks video. And I found a dress that's been in my wardrobe that I bought just after my daughter was born, and because most of my clothes didn't fit and I needed something nice to wear out to an event, and it's been hung in my wardrobe ever since. So I think what I'm going to do to it today is take the skirt off and recut it into trousers and turn it into a jumpsuit. So never done this before, so we'll see what happens. So this morning I helped my daughter film a video for her YouTube channel. She is learning the violin and she's decided that she's going to start uploading videos of her playing a different song every week, which is brilliant because it's really encouraging her to practice and learn something new and get really good. And yeah, she's quite a perfectionist, so she's been learning for just over 2 years and she's doing really well. She's picked it up brilliantly. She practices every day, and yeah, I'm more than happy for her to film her videos and put them up and hopefully receive some encouragement to keep going. So she loves Lindsay Sterling, and if you haven't seen Lindsay Sterling, go and check out her channel. So she's really, my daughter's really inspired by her at the moment, and I think that's brilliant that she's got some dreams and aspirations and she's working hard. So I'll put the link to her channel up there if you guys want to go and have a look and listen to her play violin. This Rocked Up frock is taking way longer than I thought it would. I think I'm going to have to finish it tomorrow and edit what I've got tonight. Yeah, get up early, finish sewing it and get it done. Yeah, I really underestimated how long this one would take. Sunday, and I've just finished sewing and filming this week's Rocked Up Frock video, so now it's time to do my hair and makeup and film the end part of it. I've pushed myself out of my comfort zone a little bit this week with the makeup colours. I've tried this sort of blue and turquoise, which is not colours I really wear, but I actually really like it with the dark pink lips. So, and this silver, this Super Shock shadow in Liberty from Colourpop is just amazing. It's so metallic, and that went on really easy, really smooth, really creamy. It's just beautiful. I think I'm going to be investing in more Super Shock colours. So I'm all done. I'm just going to edit the video so I can get it up in time for tonight, and I will catch you next week.